noswaith bawb. Diolch am wrando. Hello, good evening everyone. Thanks for listening. Beth rydyn ni'n wneud heno. What are we doing tonight? Mae clustiau mawr gan foch, bach. Small pigs have big ears. Cyfres pedwar a phenod rhif cant 34. Series 4 and episode number 134. Tra chyflym ond yn rhy fawr. Very fast but too big. Noswaith bawb. Good evening everyone. Da's become dda, an adjective after a singular feminine noun, soft mutates, treiglad meddwl, soft mutation, D to a double D. Da's become dda. Pawb has become bawb, using a noun plural or a pronoun to address people. It's called a vocative. Causes soft mutation again. Treiglad meddwl, soft mutation. P to a B, pawb to bawb. Diolch am wrando. Wrando has become wrando. The verb noun listen has soft mutated, treiglad meddwl again. The G has dropped or disappeared. Wrando to wrando. And that's happened after the key preposition am. And the key prepositions that cause soft mutation are am, are, at, dan dros drwy, tan tros trwy, gan heb hyd, I o wrth. And then we've got Beth rydyn ni'n wneud. Wneud has become wneud, soft mutation after the word a, which means his. And it's referring to the fact that Beth or Peth, which comes from, is masculine. It's back referring the, yes, something like that. Anyway, mae clustiau mawr gan foch, bach. Foch, moch has become foch. Soft mutation after the word gan, one of the key prepositions. And that's M to an F. Any others? Pedwar a phenod. Phenod has become phenod. Treiglad llais, aspirate mutation after the word a. The Welsh word that means and. It's a conjunction that causes three letters to mutate, P, T and C. The letters that make up the phrase pat the cat, park the car, post the card, pop the cork and pull the curtains. Tra chyflym. Cyflym has become chyflym after the word tra, which causes aspirate mutation. Three letters again, P, T and C change. And then we have rhy fawr, too big. Mawr has become fawr after the word rhy, which causes soft mutation, treiglad meddwl again, M to an F. And that's it. Oh, right. Today's usages then, we have the word tra, and tra chyflym ond yn rhy fawr. So the word tra is the first special extra word. It is a doodah, an adverb. It's also a conjunction as well, but we're using it as an adverb here. When we mean very or extremely. And we use it before the adjective, and it causes aspirate mutation. So cyflym to chyflym, that's the first word, tra. And tri is the word too, as in too much, and that causes soft mutation. So we'll see what I mean by the different phrases. We've got all the usual adjectives we're going to play about with. Mawr, bach, da, and so on. And we got the phrases tra, mawr, very big, tra bach, very small, tra da, very good, tra drwg, tra gwael, that's another type of bad, or very bad I should say. Tra hir, very long, tra bir, very short, tra uchel, very loud or very high, tra isel, very low, tra hapus, very happy, tra trist, very sad, tra chyflym, very fast, tra araf, very slow. So, yeah, it can mean like very, but it can mean sort of quite, a certain amount, a reasonable amount, and it can be a conjunction to mean while or as. but we're not looking at that today. And the next word is free, RHY, and that means two, just that's all it means, as in too big, too small. Yeah, TOO. So the words, phrases are rhy fawr, causes soft mutation, rhy fawr, too big, rhy bach, too small, rhy dda, too good, rhy ddrwg, too bad, rhy wael, too bad in a different way, rhy here, too long, rhy fur, too short, rhy uchel, too high or too loud, rhy isel, too low, rhy hapus, it's too happy, and rhy drist, it's too sad, rhy gyflym, too fast, rhy araf, too slow. So yeah, there are your phrases, all the usual games, and then there's extra ones for you to practice all the bits and bobs that we've been doing recently. So just looking at it here now, you got the other words like yawn and go and all the other ones we've done, plus just the adjectives on their own, plus the superlatives and comparatives of those adjectives. So when we say bigger and biggest, so practicing all them as well on the web lesson there as well. So get stuck in, and then I'll do the listening exercise. Anything else to think about there? Yeah. Mae cynhyrchu cyffur yn golygu bod grawn I eraill ei defnyddio nawr. The kefir production means there are grains for others to use now. Rydw I wedi trefnu drwy'r holl lyfrau. I have sorted through all the books. Rydw I wedi dod o hyd I eiriadur Cymraeg o fy mlentyndod. I have found a Welsh dictionary from my childhood. Mae'r holl garbord yn barod i'w ailgylchu. All of the cardboard is ready for the recycling. Yes. So, fy mlentyndod. Plentyn is child. Plentyndod is childhood. But mlentyndod is the nasal mutation of that. So that's what I put after the word fy, my, first person singular, possessive pronoun, or personal pronoun, possessive adjective, whatever you want to call it. It means my. And then other mutations are geiriadur, dictionaries become eiriadur. Yeah, I didn't think I had any dictionaries when I was younger, but this one's, I've written on the side of it my name and class. So that was the English school that I went to after I'd been to the Welsh school. So I'm placing that at 1988 time. So yeah, so I must have had a dictionary in my youth, and that'll come in handy now when I'm going to some of these sessions, so I can look words up that I don't know, because I haven't got them, and it's a bit cumbersome sometimes not getting the internet to do it on a phone or whatever, isn't it? You're in a library, you might not get internet, you might go on the internet, but anyway, I'm running out of time, so see you tomorrow.